How to cancel order on AliExpress after shipping. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can do that. The first thing you are gonna have to do is open AliExpress app. And then you can locate your My Orders icon by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on My Orders. And then from here, you should be able to see all of your previous orders and the one that has been shipped. So after shipping, your order will be moved to the shipped tab and your shipping ID will be generated. So once your tracking number has been generated, you should know that your product has already been shipped. But in order to cancel it, you're going to have to locate the option open dispute or return or refund on the product. So just go ahead and tap on the product. And you should be able to see an option to open a dispute or return a refund policy. If you see that, you can do it. But in many cases, AliExpress only allows you to cancel the items before it has been shipped while it's in the awaiting shipment status. So while you are on that period, it's best to open the cancellation. But after that, it's going to be a bit of a hassle. So you're going to have to contact the seller with the chat option. So you can just go ahead and open up the product. And if you have the chat option right beside your cart, you can just message them and give your reasoning, like simply change your mind or something like that. And if the seller accepts your reasoning, then you can work and coordinate with the seller to return the shipping details. It might cost you the return shipping costs, so it might vary. And once the seller receives the item back, you'll get the refunded amount, original amount, to your payment method. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.